Hello everyone, welcome to ComfyEating. Today we are going to make a delicious and nutritious pasta recipe that's creamy zucchini pasta. If you're someone who loves pasta but is looking for a lighter veggie-packed version, this is the perfect dish. Zucchini adds a lovely creamy texture without overpowering the flavors, and the best part, we are making the sauce from scratch using simple wholesome ingredients. To start with, let's prep the veggies. We'll be using one large onion and few garlic pods to really boost the flavor of our sauce. We'll chop them into nice small pieces. Then for this recipe, we will be using 2 zucchinis. We will roughly chop them into small pieces. Now into a pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, we will add the chopped onions and garlic. Saute them for a few minutes until they are nice and soft. Once they are done, it's time to add the zucchini. We will saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will close with the lid and let it cook on low heat for around 5 to 7 minutes until the zucchini is tender and cooked through. Now once the zucchini is cooked, we are going to add some seasonings. First, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of mixed herbs. You can use any herbs you like. Then we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper for a little spice, and then salt to taste. Give everything a good stir. Now to this we will add 1 cup of milk to make the sauce creamy. Let this cook for a few minutes until everything comes together. Now our sauce is done cooking, so we let it cool for a few minutes and then blend it into a smooth puree. Meanwhile, let's boil the pasta. First, let's boil the water, add some generous amount of salt. Once the water is ready, let's add the pasta and let it cook according to the package instructions, usually about 8 to 10 minutes. While pasta is cooking, let's blend our zucchini mixture into a smooth and creamy sauce. Once it's all blended, let's keep it aside. Once the pasta is cooked, let's drain the pasta and set it aside too. Into a pan, let's add the blended zucchini sauce. We need to bring it to boil, and once it starts bubbling, we will add the cooked pasta. Stir everything together, letting the pasta soak up all that creamy, flavorful sauce. Let it cook together for about 3 to 5 minutes so the pasta and sauce combines well. Now our pasta is ready. We'll switch off the flame and sprinkle some cheese on top. This step is totally optional. The pasta tastes amazing even without the cheese. And that's it, our creamy zucchini pasta is ready. Whether you add cheese or keep it simple, this dish is packed with flavor and goodness. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more interesting recipes. Thank you for watching.